back with another video. LV Savvy here to bring y'all a whiteboard video. You already know. So I'm going to give you 4 different things that you can do to make money. Ooh, you see Uber? I know you know about Uber, and I'm not talking about driving either. Don't want to waste no time. As usual, want to jump right into it. So let's get on Uber. So how do you make money with Uber? Let's say that you can't drive, or you don't have a car or whatever. So this still applies for you. This still works for you. So the way you can make money with this is referring people to drive. Okay, so you refer because look at Uber. They're very smart. Uber is a taxi company with no taxis, right? Okay, they're a taxi company with no taxi. So you'll be the middleman. This will be you. And then what you're going to do, you're going to market using your phone, your laptop. I don't care. You go to the library. I don't care what you have to do, okay? Get on social media. Get online. If you're watching this video, then you can do this because obviously you're using a smartphone, a laptop, a tablet, whatever, okay? So you can do this, no excuses. So there's a taxi company with no taxis, meaning they need people like you, me, your mother, everybody else to push their product, push their brand, and get them drivers because they don't have any drivers, right? Very smart. So this is you here. Then you're going to use your smartphone. You're going to use your laptop, you know, whatever. And you're going to find drivers. Okay? And Uber is going to pay you $30 to $40 every single time somebody approves. They get approved when they, you know, obviously send in their driver's license, just a photo ID to make sure one they have a license. Every time that their driver's license is approved, you will get between $30 and $40 each and every time. So do the math on that. If you did that 10 times a day, you found 10 people who are drivers. You don't have to know them personally because it's about marketing. So no one even has to know that you're doing this. No one even has to know, right? Okay. So which you can learn marketing. Just contact me. I can teach you how to do this thing right here on using Facebook. You can use Instagram, create ads, that type of thing. Okay. So right here, all you have to do is keep doing that over and over again. Find 10 drivers a day. Right? Times 30 and $40. Okay, go to the next. Go to Facebook. Everybody has a Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, it's okay. If you don't have a Facebook, you just didn't know. But you know now. So you need to do this. So with Facebook, you probably didn't know that you can charge for Facebook groups. Facebook is a media platform, yet they don't give us any media. We put the media on there. We put the content on there. We put the pictures on there, the videos on there, etc. Okay? You know how Facebook works. Okay? No, you're not friends with Facebook. You're friends with other friends on Facebook. Okay? So again, you are here. So what are you going to do? You can create groups. You can, whatever price that you want to make, and people will pay it monthly. Okay, don't be outrageous. Okay, I would keep it around maybe like $5 to $15 each person. So every single month that person would pay $5, or every single month the person would pay $10. You can make a big for sale group. You see how some of these for sale groups have, you know, 50,000 people, 60,000 people. Just imagine if each person was paying $5 a month. How much money would that be? Okay, so this is you. You're going to make a content group. I don't care if it's tutorials. If you don't know how to do something, look on YouTube like you are now. Learn how to do something and turn around and charge people to learn it from you. Okay? So if it's a DIY, you don't want to give everybody your secrets. You want to create a fan base that's going to, you know, pay the $5 to $15 a month to watch you do whatever. Okay, make picnic baskets. Like I don't care what it is. Okay, teach them how to hardwire something, how to Photoshop, how to do anything. Okay, Teach them how to do something. Make it valuable, obviously. Or if it's trash, no one wants to pay for trash, okay? So obviously make it really good. Make it nice. Be consistent, you know, good quality. And then this is the content. And people pay this every single month to watch your content, to be involved. I don't care if it's a big business group. I don't care if it's a sneaker con. I don't care if it's buy Yeezys every month for a discount. I don't care what it is, okay? Make content. Okay, so Alibaba is like a retail marketplace. I can't really say like Amazon because you're paying wholesale price. So it's very cheap. Very, very affordable. This is how other people buy their things, get their logos made, put it on products, turn around and create a store or whatever, okay? It's very detailed. If you need more information, it's be a whole separate video because I can go on and on about Alibaba. But if you ever heard of AliExpress, just think of Alibaba as the bulk. So AliExpress, you buy the single items. Alibaba, you buy the bulk, a box, a case, you know, several cases, several boxes, whatever, okay? So with this, you can refer people to become a seller, okay? You can become a seller. Apply for the affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically selling someone else's product but under your code, okay? So just like Amazon here, so I could basically talk about both of them at the same time. So the same thing, you want to apply for an affiliate link. So let's say your affiliate link was amazon.com/ 123 Joe. Okay, so Joe made an account. This is Joe's account. So every time you buy a charger, or every time you buy a marker, every time you buy a whiteboard, Joe gets paid. Joe gets paid. Joe gets paid. Okay, you pay Amazon, and Amazon pays Joe for marketing. Okay, you didn't have to invest any money in either one of these, okay? But you can still turn around and make money, okay? As serious as you take it, that's as serious you get paid. So if you work this as a hobby, you get paid as a hobby. You work this as a real business, you get paid like a real business, okay? Very easy, simple stuff that everybody can do from home, from a smartphone, whatever. I don't care what your background is. Just if you need more information in depth on each one, just let me know. I'll be glad to give you that information. But just to go over this, Alibaba, just so people don't complain. So Alibaba, like I said, you buy stuff wholesale but in bulk, okay? So say you buy 10 chargers for $3, right? Because you know that those chargers can go from $10 to $20 to $25 per charger. So of course, if it's a store or whatever, you can get them to buy from your link. You can text them a link. You can email the link. I don't care what you got to do. Just give them the link. Have them buy through you. And then you'll get commissions every time somebody buys. Another thing you can do with Amazon as well, if say you don't want to use Facebook, because you can use it with Facebook too. There's something on YouTube and you put in a camera review, right? So okay, you got a camera, right? And then I put a Canon review. Look down to see if they have a link in the description, or if you ever heard somebody say, yeah, I like this, whatever, link is in the description. If you want one, they're getting paid off of that. It's called affiliate marketing. You don't have to come up with the product. You didn't have to research the product, you know, as far as like putting it together, the materials, what it's made of. You don't have to invest your own money. All you have to do is get the product, talk about it, and get paid when you share it and tell people where to get it from. That simple. Okay, guys? So make sure you subscribe to the channel. It's LB Savvy, always coming with some fire. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.